Hey guys, today I'm going to be replacing the starter right here on this 2005 Toyota Camry. And here is the starter part number. It's a Denso starter, remanufactured. The part number is 280-0322. And here are the tools that you'll need. It's a 10mm wrench or socket to remove the battery. A bunch of sockets, 10, 12, and 14, and a 3/8 ratchet. First, you're gonna have to remove the battery, the air intake, and the air intake duct right here, and the bracket to get access to the starter down there. First, remove the two terminal posts right here, the negative first and then the positive. After that, you remove the battery hold down bracket. It's held on by two 10mm bolt, one bolt and one nut right here. After that, you remove the bracket and then take out the battery. Take out the battery tray. Now we're going to remove this intake box. It is held on by two 10mm bolt, one over here and one on this side right here. After this, remove this bolt and unclip from right here. After that, you pull this out. Remove the air filter and change it if it's dirty. And you have three 10mm bolts that you gotta remove right here. One, two, and three. And then you need a flathead screwdriver to remove this clip and the one on the bottom. So get a flathead screwdriver and you pry on this plastic prong right here. After that, you can open it up like that. Just do the same thing on the bottom. Next, you want to remove this two bolt that's holding down this bracket piece. Then you want to remove this bolt, 10mm bolt right here and right here. Now here's the starter. There's two bolts on each side, one right there and one right here. That is 14mm. Break it loose. Now go into the other side. So next, you want to open this plastic piece. You need a 12mm socket for this, and you press and remove this connector. Once you remove the two bolt and the nut right here, then you pull out the starter. Replace it with a brand new one. Alright, now you compare your old one to the new one. Make sure it matches everything. The connector and the bolt right here. And the teeth. And now you put it back in. And then you want to torque it to 27 foot-pounds. 27 foot-pounds. Connect the connector and put back the electric connector right here. Tighten this nut. First, you want to put this air intake duct back. Make sure the bottom connects right here. The bottom part piece right here goes on top of the white piece. The resonator, I believe. And you put in the two 10mm bolt right here. 1, 2. Next, you put in the air intake bracket. Put back the bottom piece of the air intake box. Make sure it connects to this part right here. 3 10mm bolt in. Make sure you put back the wire harness on back into the clip. Put back your air filter and then your top piece. And then make sure the hinge is connected on the bottom. Close it. Tighten down the two 10mm bolt here. Put back the electric connector and tighten this bolt down. Put back the battery tray. Put back in the battery. For this part right here, this is the hook. There's a hole in the bottom right here that you just put it in for it to hold the bracket. There you go. Put in the 10mm bolt back. Connect the positive first, and then the negative. Once you tighten down your terminal posts, you're all done. Now turn on your vehicle and it should start. There you go.